Take a moment to read the question. So an is the given expression and we have to find out the limit of an as n tends to infinity. How do we do this question? Well, the first step is to write down the given expression. Now notice that in the numerator of an we have a series containing n terms, and the denominator is also made up of a similar series up to n terms. So let us analyze the numerator and the denominator separately. So the numerator is this series. Over here we can see that each term is made up of 3 factors, and those 3 factors are in AP. We can also see that the first factor of each term also form the same AP, and the common difference of that AP is 1. We can easily see that the nth term of this series is given by n times n plus 1 times n plus 2. So whenever we have a series like this, we can write down its sum in this manner. The first step is to write down the nth term. Then we affix the next factor, which is n plus 3 in this case. Now we have a total of 4 factors, so we divide by 4. And we are also supposed to divide by the common difference of that AP, which is equal to 1 in this case. Apart from all this, we are also supposed to add a constant. Now this constant can be easily found to be equal to 0 in this case. Therefore, our sum looks like this. And this is also the numerator. So let's call it n. Now similarly, we can analyze the denominator. So in the denominator, we have a similar series. Let's call that series as d. Now the nth term in this case is n times n plus 1. We can find out the sum of this series in the similar form as before, and we find that the sum is equal to n times n plus 1 times n plus 2 divided by 3. And this is equal to d. Now let us look at an. So an would be given by this expression, n divided by nd. We have already found out the closed form of n in the numerator and also the closed form of d in the denominator. So we can plug in here and find that an is equal to this expression. Over here, on cancelling the factors, we find that an simplifies to 3 by 4 times n plus 3 divided by n. So we can now find the limit of an as n tends to infinity. That would be equal to the limit of the above expression as n tends to infinity. Now this is easy to find. It is just equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.